So, this is the upcoming ultra-premium flagship smartphone from Apple. The iPhone 15 Pro Max Ultra Plus 5G. Apple made sure its new flagship smartphone got some big camera upgrades. As you can see, the main highlight of this smartphone is its cameras. This smartphone features a hexa camera setup on rear side with 2-megapixel depth sensor, 4-megapixel macro sensor, 8-megapixel telephoto sensor, 16-megapixel wide-angle sensor, 32-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor, and 64-megapixel main sensor. This smartphone is expected to be powered by Apple A18 Bionic Pro processor with up to 12 GB of RAM. It is expected to feature a 6.9-inch Pro Plus motion display with max brightness of 2000 nits. The dynamic island is actually pretty interesting this time. Apple made sure iPhone 15 Pro Max Ultra Plus 5G represents a duality, both as something extremely similar to its predecessor while also being simultaneously new. iPhone 15 Pro Max Ultra Plus is packed by 6900 mAh battery with 120 watts wired fast charging support. It is capable to deliver minimum full day of screen on time with heavy usage. This is as close to a perfect iPhone that you have ever seen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.